Hey yo, you know what I love in bathrooms? I love louvers in a bathroom. I love the smart waste. I love the strip drain, a niche. They are some of the things that really make a bathroom. Strip drain, smart waste, louvers. And then a good tile. You know, like these white tiles are cheap as chips. And they're cut to perfection. Now that's why I don't grout the floor first. Always grout my walls. My grout is a little bit softer and it fell off. It just fell off. No, it fell off my squeegee. A clip I missed. We'll get rid of that. Okay people, we'll see you soon. I've got this will be the same misty grey grout as the floor. And shortly that'll be dry enough. This is how you do it, DIYs. You over grout a little bit and then you very carefully just pop some in there and then grout it off when you're doing a different colour. You don't have to mask it up or anything like that. No. Okay. We'll catch up with you soon. Okay, bye.